Hi, welcome back to Tom's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you the right way to make ground beef patties to cook on the grill. Everybody has their own way of doing this. Today I'm going to show you the right way. Now what I mean by the right way is we've all been to cookouts, we've all had cookouts where somebody thinks they know how to make a ground beef patty to cook on the grill, to make a cheeseburger or hamburger or taco burger or pizza burger. And the burger comes out about that thick, or maybe even round like a baseball, either a hockey puck or a baseball, and it's burnt on the outside, and it's either raw on the inside, or to get it cooked all the way through, the burger's completely dried out. So what you want to do is you want your burger patties to be thin as possible, like maybe 3/8 of an inch, maybe closer to 1/4 of an inch if you can get there. So you need to really mash out your burger patty, make it too big for the bun. As it shrinks up, gets a little thicker, gets a little smaller. It'll be cooked to the right degree, still be juicy, won't be overdone. Now to do this, you need big hands. Now my hands are about, let's see, that's about what? Maybe a biscuit shy of 10 inches. Now if you don't have big hands to do this properly, I guess you're just going to have to eat some kind of veggie burger or something. So you want to get your hands a little bit wet with cold water so the meat doesn't stick to your hands too badly. Kind of form it into a ball and just squeeze this until it's very, very, very thin. This is ground chuck. I cut up a pound of ground chuck into 4 1/4-pound portions. You can make these as big as you want. Just remember to make them thin. People fall into the trap of making their burger patty the same thickness that they want it to be after it's cooked, and that's where they run into trouble. Making some progress, smooth out the edges a little bit. And we really have, if you can see that, that's just a little over 1/4 of an inch thick, maybe. There. Okay, now, before you cook the burgers, you want to have your buns dressed. And the first step towards dressing a hamburger or cheeseburger or taco burger or pizza burger or whatever burger bun is to toast the bun. It's very important that you toast the bun. Now, these are just cheap, generic buns from you-know-who mart. I like sesame seed buns, etc., 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 but I just wanted you to understand that to make a good cheeseburger, you don't need anything fancy whatsoever. So you toast these till they're golden brown. If you don't toast the buns, you might as well just be eating a bologna sandwich. And by the way, you should toast your buns for bologna sandwiches as well. Now, I'm not going to actually show you cooking the burgers on my grill because A, I'm too lazy to take the camera outside, and B, I don't want the camera getting all smudged up with smoke from the grill, etc., etc. So my buns are dressed. What does that mean? It means I have all my condiments in place. So I'm not running around getting distracted, not watching the meat while I dress my buns. Now I go kind of whole hog. I've got mustard, ketchup, hamburger dill chips, mayonnaise, tomato slices, American cheese. Now I'm going to put the onion on the patty as soon as I turn it, when it's halfway done cooking. The cheese I'll add about 30 seconds before I pull the meat from the grill. Now the big question everyone has is, how long should I cook this? It doesn't matter how thick the patty is or thin, but I'm telling you, you want your patties thin. It doesn't matter if it's fresh ground beef or a frozen patty. The rule of thumb is the same. If you like your burger rare or medium rare, you want to let the first side cook until you just see the first couple of spots. You'll see a couple spots of blood come up from where it's been cooking on one side. You turn that over. You let it cook another 1.5 to 2 minutes. You'll see blood start to come up on this side. Pull your burger. You get a nice rare burger, very juicy. I don't recommend that with ground beef. for food safety reasons. A rare steak is okay. I don't recommend rare hamburgers, but that's up to you. I like mine medium well to well done, so I'll let the burger cook until I see quite a bit of blood coming up. That's just about 4 minutes on a good thin patty. Turn it once. Don't squeeze it. Don't squeeze the juice out. You'll dry it out. Let it cook about 3.5 more minutes. Put the cheese on top. About 30 more seconds. Let the cheese melt. Pull your burger patties. Okay, I'll try recording this with my phone. So this is my gas grill. It's been too long because I screwed around with the phone. Right, there's plenty of blood on top of these burgers. I just squeeze that to show you. Do not squeeze them yourself. Turn those over. Okay. We've got about a minute or two left to cook. I'm going to turn this down. Okay, I put my onion on here. Close the lid again. Okay, so now try to put the cheese on top without burning myself. There we go. Close the lid. Go ahead and turn that off. Great. So here we are back in the kitchen with our fully cooked burgers. Yeah, can you see that? There we go. There we go. And if I turn this without dumping it on the floor, you'll see got about 3/8 of an inch thickness on our patties. Covers the buns very nicely. Take a bite out of this. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. 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 Juicy. Mmm. Savory.